YouTube wants you to make YouTube Shorts. I mean, that's fairly obvious. They've been placing it into mobile devices and pumping them out in huge surges on your search traffic. But now there's a creator fund to give you money for the process. Look, there's a blog. I'll give you a quick read. We are introducing the YouTube Shorts Fund, a 100 million fund distributed over the course of 2021-2022. We've been rolling out YouTube Shorts beta to help bring you the joy of short form video to YouTube and the joy of YouTube to short form video. It's now available to everyone in India and the US, and we've already seen many creative, awesome shorts from our community. Since Shorts is a new way to watch and create YouTube, we've been taking a fresh look at ways to monetize and reward creators for their content. Today we're sharing the latest updates, and we continue to build Shorts alongside our community. Anyone is eligible to participate in the fund simply by creating unique shorts that delight the YouTube community. Each month we'll reach out to thousands of creators whose shorts created the most engagement and views and reward them for their contributions. We'll also ask these creators to share their feedback with us so we can continue to improve the product's experience. The Shorts Fund is not limited to just creators. In the YouTube Partner Program, creators will be eligible to participate if they create original content for Shorts and adhere to the community guidelines. So the important things to note there is 1, a $100 million fund. 2, create shorts, and you can create shorts if you're in the US and in India via the app, but you can also create shorts no matter where you are by uploading vertical format videos and using the hashtag shorts. They count as well. Anyone can make money from this process. Anyone. You don't have to be in the YouTube Partnership Program, you just have to be pumping out YouTube Shorts that gets engagement and views. Does this mean that it's going to skew towards more established creators? Maybe, maybe not. We've seen some people explode out of nowhere from 0 subscribers through to the moon, including my own little personal private experiment. Subscribe down below and I'll reveal that very soon. Next week. YouTube will then look at how engaging these videos happen to be and reach out and give you some kind of reward. This is very similar to the TikTok Monetization creator fund that they currently have. Does this mean that YouTube doesn't currently have an advertisement model running against the YouTube Shorts project? Maybe not. Will they do in future? More than likely. But you'll also see some of the larger creators jump in on this. I know that Philip DeFranco, for example, is someone that's now going to start creating daily catch-ups, 1-minute quick news articles that you can quickly deep dive through. In fact, he released one today. I'll link it in the description down below so you can see what that looks like. They've also added the following. Once again, going to read. Automatically add captions to your shorts, record up to 60 seconds with a shorts camera, which used to be 15 seconds. Add clips from your phone gallery to add to your recordings to make extra shorts clips, which is good. I can record it and then add it to a blog roll. It's very good. Add basic filters to color correct things. So how do I feel about this? Well, as a creator, anything that gives you the opportunity to create new content is always good. Anything that pushes you out there and possibly gives you another avenue to be more creative, good. The other side of this is a very obvious ploy for YouTube to go, right, start pumping out vertical format video so we can fill all the gaps that we haven't filled in, and then we can sort out the algorithm. That way, when you upload a short, when somebody explodes and somebody doesn't, we now have enough content in here. Because one of the reasons that so many people explode is they may have a niche and they may be the only ones creating shorts for that niche. So when the YouTube algorithm tries to match the main video against a short that is in the niche, if there isn't enough in the pool, that person that's the only person in the niche creating content gets the huge lift. If YouTube openly encourages people and even kind of bribes people to come on, make more YouTube Shorts, that's going to start filling the gaps. That's going to start filling in more unique, relevant content that they can then start pumping out. This could be your opportunity. If you're very good at short form content, if you're fantastic on TikTok, or if you're very quick and very clever at editing things that are in vertical format, this could be a way, even when not monetized, to get some huge attention and even some money. And this could inspire the younger audience to jump onto YouTube and start creating content as well. What do you think about this? What would you do if you was offered some kind of slice of money from the Creator Fund? Are you excited by this, or do you think this is just another way of YouTube trying to pump up their own stats, look bigger and better, but not really help the small YouTuber in the long run? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to chat about this. If you want a deeper dive into what YouTube Shorts happen to be, I've done a video here, and remember to subscribe for my secret announcement kind of experiment next week.